So, I'm here today to talk about MANTA, which is one of my favorite cryptos for this bull run in terms of looking for a blue chip crypto, more of a safety crypto in your portfolio that isn't necessarily the boring ones like Bitcoin, ETH, Matic, and XRP, right? We're looking for something a bit different, maybe something newer. And the two cryptos that would come to mind are none other than MANTA itself and also Casper. But we're not here to talk about Casper, we're here to talk about MANTA. So, what is MANTA? How high can it go this bull run and all of these things I'm going to be discussing in this video. So let's get straight into it. So I'm not here to bore you guys with technology. This is not a technology channel. There's plenty of channels out there that explain the blockchain and all of the nerdy tech. I'm here to make money and I'm here to basically simplify some complex things for you. So MANTA is quite an interesting crypto because first of all, it's in this modularity blockchain niche, which is growing recently with Celestia and all of these other things that are linking into modularity. Second of all, MANTA has two main elements to it, okay? It's a layer 1 and a layer 2, which is quite strange, quite complicated to get your head around. But I'm just going to put it very simple here. You've got MANTA Atlantic, which is a layer 1, and you've got MANTA Pacific, which is an EVM-based layer 2, okay? So two different things going on here. And yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to tell you about the technology side. What you need to know is it's very fast, it's very secure, and we know layer 2s are going to do well this bull run. MANTA specifically is looking good as a layer 2 because its total value locked TVL is super high compared to its market cap. So not only is it a brand new crypto, but its market cap is still not in the billions, right? Yet its total value locked is very high. And that's a sign of a healthy chain that's probably going to do very well in the bull run. Some other things that I like about it is the chart looks really bullish, right? It's brand new. You guys know I like my cryptos new. I don't like to touch the ones from previous bull runs because most of the time they've squeezed out all of the potential catalysts in that bull run. The thing with MANTA is it's got future catalysts this cycle, which are obviously going to pump the price, such as a potential Coinbase listing. Yes, it's listed on Binance, but it's not listed on Coinbase yet. And that listing is probably going to have a huge catalyst effect to the price this bull run, and I don't want to miss that. So if we look at the chart, you can see it had the airdrop. It kind of went up a bit, went down a bit, it consolidated, and now I believe we're potentially in that next phase up. The best way of comparing MANTA in price for me would be to compare it to the likes of Polygon Matic, which was the biggest layer 2 last bull run. Now, I want to be crystal clear. I think Polygon Matic is going to go even higher this bull run to what it did last bull run. So I still think Matic could be bigger than MANTA this cycle. But the technology in crypto is very fast to adapt. And if you don't get to the level of your technological competitors, you will be left behind as a layer 2. And I think MANTA could be the top dog when it comes to scaling solutions this bull run. But time will have to tell, right? We're going to have a lot of competitors. It's going to be a very competitive space. Which crypto can be the number one EVM scaling solution? Okay, so if we look at MANTA compared to Matic, that would be a 25x. So if MANTA went to the all-time high that Matic went to last cycle, you would make 25 times on your money. And I think that is a very reasonable ROI, considering that we're not at the depths of the bear market right now. We're kind of in that in-between phase of a bear market and a full-on bull run. So we're kind of edging towards the bull run now. So a 25x at this stage in the market is pretty good. And that would be around the range that I would be looking at, or maybe even higher. Okay. Now, I was buying MANTA a little bit lower in price. So obviously the ROI is going to be a bit higher for me and the people in the Patreon who grabbed the VIP Plus tier and also the Mentor tier. These guys were getting my buy alerts for MANTA. I think I dropped maybe 4 or 5 buy alerts. I was buying it pretty heavily. It's around 5% or so of my portfolio. So I'm really bullish on this crypto. The gains for those may be a bit higher. Maybe they make a 35x because they got in lower. But ultimately, this is around the ballpark that I'd be looking for. Between a 20 to a 40x I think seems very realistic for MANTA. And this crypto really should make up a decent percentage in some people's portfolios, in my opinion. You don't have to buy it, right? This video isn't financial advice, but if you maybe just allocated 5% of your portfolio into MANTA, not only does it act as a hedge to some of the higher risk players because it's got a degree of safety, but it could also do very good gains, right? Around that 20 to 30 to 40x level seems very probable to me. So we look at the exchanges straight off the bat as a brand brand new crypto. They've already got a Binance listing, already got a HTX and a Bybit listing. So some pretty big ones there. Some people may say to me, well, it's already on Binance. You're late to it. And whilst that's something which I maintain quite a lot of the time on my channel, I also think it still has a lot of room for growth, and it still hasn't got that Coinbase listing just yet. So there's still a lot of room for growth. The ecosystem of MANTA is just beginning. I can see it being huge this cycle, and if that's the case, then the price is obviously going to go up. So pretty bullish on MANTA. $78 seems possible to me, but only time will tell this bull run. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to get my buy alerts and my sell alerts and track everything I'm doing in crypto, including when I'm buying cryptos like MANTA, but also low caps, higher risk cryptos that you may not necessarily know about, then this is the place to be. It's linked in my description. There's high net worth individuals in this group. I deal with people who have portfolios very much in the 8-figure range. So I do recommend you come and join and you start networking with people who are like-minded, but also more successful than you. It can be a great benefit in the bull run. Also, if you want to learn exactly how I invest in crypto, my personal secret strategies that have made me huge gains in the bear market, hit the link in the description that links you to my video course. Time is running out to get it at the current prices. I highly recommend that you join. There's a great network there as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.